Here's a 2018 Buick Enclave. Smart, sleek, and beautiful, it shatters expectations of what a crossover should be. And get ready for an impressive combination of features. V6 engine, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, security vehicle tracker system with slowdown, dual zone climate control, power tilt-down heated mirrors, integrated navigation system, hands-free liftgate, Apple CarPlay Android Auto, and automatic transmission. Imaginative luxury for the real world. That's today's Buick. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
The deals won't get any better than they are every day at Ferguson Buick GMC. The customer service is great too. We are conveniently located off I-35 and West Robinson Street in Norman, Oklahoma.